Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I'm going to relax my hair after being natural for 10 years, cutting it all off, growing it back out. We're gonna do it. Am I going to comb my hair out before putting it in there? No. Am I going to regret it? Probably so. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I think. I done bought all the stuff. I don't have a choice but to do it. Okay, we are going in with the olive oil. Olive oil? African Pride Olive Miracle Relaxer. We are going with regular because we don't have too bad of a great hair. Plus, we want to see how this works because I haven't had a relaxer in 10 years. 10 years. So, here we go. This is what all is coming inside of it. Just to let y'all know, it's on the back. We got an infuser. We're going to squeeze inside of the thing. The relaxer. This is the activator. The neutralizing shampoo and the conditioner or whatever. Also has some instructions in there, some gloves, and a stick, a mixing stick. Okay, we're just gonna use the stick. We don't use the gloves because, you know, whatever. We'll read the directions later. Anywho, what you're gonna do, open this up. You are going to pour in the activator, right? That's what we're gonna do. I haven't done a relaxer in forever, so we're going to pour that in there, okay? We're gonna put that in there, and we're going to mix. Now, because I have so much hair, I bought 3 of these boxes. Because when I was younger, it took 2 boxes and to relax my hair. And my hair, I believe, is thicker now, so we bought 3 just in case. Okay, we'll just mix 2 at the moment, but yeah. So you're gonna mix that up very well. It's not all the way mixed, but yeah, we're gonna mix that up well. And then we are going to pour the deep conditioning, whatever the ham sandwich this is. Oh, I think we're supposed to mix that first because it says A1. I mean 1A, but it's okay. It's not like it has to do anything, you know, different or whatever. It's not like we're gonna burn off my hair because we didn't do it first. On the back of it, it looks like it's pouring it in at the same time, so it's fine. Squeeze that in there. Ooh, you smell it. I haven't had like chemical. Oh, didn't make it in there. Anyways, didn't make it in trash. Okay, we're gonna stir this up and we're gonna come back. Okay, now we have sectioned it into 4s. What I'm doing is greasing my scalp with some Vaseline petroleum jelly. Greasing my scalp. I probably need to do extra grease because yeah, I done scratched my head. So I'm going to grease my scalp, grease the perimeters, and we'll be back. So I'm going to grease my parts that I did before, call it a day, and then go in and grease the rest of it so that the perm doesn't burn me. Oh, I'm so scared. What am I doing? It's like manic behavior or something. I don't know. We'll see. Be back. Drop my clip. Pull my hair. be bald. Last section. All right, we're greased up, right? My sister was on the phone with me just now. She was trying to talk me out of it. We're not getting talked out of it. Okay, so we got to put on gloves, right? Because of the relaxer. We do not want to get it on our skin. That's why we protect it with the Vaseline. Come on, say Vaseline. All right. Wish me luck, y'all, because she was like, why would you do that? Okay, we are going to start the middle, and then we'll start sectioning. Once we turn it back, no turning back. No turning back. Oh my God! And it's in there, you guys. It's in there. Oh my God. Be back. All right, it's been 10 minutes. My timer just went off. Here's how we looking. Wish me luck. We used one, and I got a little bit left in the second one. So now we are going to use the neutralizing shampoo. We're going to use both of these, and then I'll use another shampoo, and then we'll condition, and we'll come back. Now I have washed my hair at least 4 times. This is number 5. And the shampoo is supposed to turn pink. Well, it's supposed to be pink if there is still a relaxer in it. Y'all see that? It's still light pink. What the freak? All right, I had to get out of that shirt and get in another shirt because I was convinced that it was saying the cream was on the shirt, causing the thing to be whatever. So here we are after washing. Clearly can see that it's still got some curl to it. Not as much, but no worries. We'll fix that the next time. But we're going to straighten it. Well, not straighten it. We're going to dry it. And see, yeah, we got a lot of curl back here. It's okay. It's all a process. All right. Come back in a second after I blow dry it. Okay, this is after drying it. Of course, it's still poofy because my hair is my hair. Anyways, the texture is definitely different. Do I regret it? Kinda. But that's because it's not as straight as I thought it would. My hair isn't even all the way dry yet because it takes forever to get dry. So, because the roots are very wet still. Yeah. I always do this to myself. But anywho, we'll get over it. I'm ready for the next one so they can get straighter. But I need to blow dry it some more. And then, yeah, that's it. Still like a mane. Yep. Yep. Look at that bounce.